for eternity, like us.
The Great Pyramid of
Giza.
So the entrance of the pyramid is right there, but you will not use it. You're gonna use this tunnel, which was forced by the Arab kings in the 9th century, believing that there was a treasure inside the pyramid.
came through this tunnel.
Okay, we just came out of the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Pyramid of King Nofu.
Khufu.
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 Okay, try it again.
Okay. We're at the Great Pyramid of Giza. We just came out of the inside. We went all the way up into the monastery, or starting.
Okay, do it one more
Okay.
time. Valerie was messing with you.
Oh, stop, Dave.
We're at the Great Pyramid of Giza. We just came out of the inside where we hiked up this tunnel where you had to hunch over, and we went all the way up to where the sarcophagus was of the great King Khufu.
I told you that the limestone comes and exists in different colors. One of the colors of the limestone is as white as marble, which is on the other side of Camel. Good picture. Those camels are not for us. Okay? So please come here and look at this view. Summit is more preserved. Can you see the summit?
Yeah.
It's more preserved. But we lost the great capstone on the head, on the summit of the Great Pyramid. That's why
Yeah.
all these contribute to that optical deception.
Higher, higher. There.
باشمهندس الناس بتاخد صورة بعد إذنك.
Where's the other side?
Only one.
Only one.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa!
No camel. I'm sorry, Dad. Yeah, let's go on hold and lean back.
Lean back. Whoa!
39.
Oh! Okay, I'm about to take the lead. Uh-oh.
Whoa. Almost like not so
Bite, do they?
Yeah. Hello. Whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, our camels like each other. What's my camel's name?
Oscar.
Oh, Oscar. Oscar. Uh-huh. Okay.
Say bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. We made it halfway.
And we're taking a picture of you now.
Yeah, you're the biggest guy.
Yeah. Good.
So my camel is Alibaba, and Becky's is Oscar,
Yeah, that's another one for us.
and you are
Mahmoud.
Mahmoud. What's your camel's name?
اسمه الجو بتاعك طيب.
Berlusconi?
Berlusconi.
Come on, you've done this a million times. You know where to go. I don't want to go up the hill.
Why? Down first. Up straight.
I'm hanging on for dear life. Hey, go that way. We're getting near the top. Come on, Alibaba, you can do it.
Calm down, Dad.
I don't know if I can.
No problem. I'll bring you forward.
Wait till he tells me
Okay.
going down.
Okay.
خذ لي ضغطه سريع هاي. والله معايا. يقرا احمد اروح الجمال معاي. ايه؟
Ready? Okay.
I'll bring you forward.
I did it!
Yay!
والناس هذه. عايز ايه؟ عايز سجاير ولا عايز ايه؟